Hello, kids. I'm Professor Pigley. Today we're diving into an underwater adventure to learn all about sea animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. The ocean is full of amazing creatures, both big and small. Let's meet some of my favorite sea animals. First up is the playful dolphin. Dolphins are known for their intelligence and friendly nature. They can be found in oceans all around the world and love to jump and play. Did you know that dolphins communicate with each other using clicks and whistles? Next, let's look at the colorful clownfish. These little fish live in sea anemones and are famous for their bright orange and white stripes. Clownfish have a special relationship with their anemone homes, which protect them from predators. Isn't that amazing? Here comes a gentle sea turtle, gliding gracefully through the water. Sea turtles have been around for millions of years and can live to be over 100 years old. They travel long distances across the ocean and return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs. Look at that. It's an octopus, known for its 8 arms and incredible ability to change colors. Octopuses are very smart and can solve puzzles and escape from tricky situations. They also use their color-changing ability to hide from predators. What a clever creature! And here comes the mighty great white shark. Sharks are powerful predators and have been around since before the dinosaurs. The great white shark is one of the largest and most famous sharks in the ocean. Despite their reputation, sharks are important for keeping the ocean's ecosystem balanced. Finally, let's meet the jellyfish. These fascinating creatures have been drifting through the oceans for millions of years. Jellyfish come in all shapes and sizes, and some can even glow in the dark. But be careful, some jellyfish have stinging tentacles. The ocean is full of incredible creatures, and we've only just scratched the surface. Thanks for joining me on this underwater adventure. Remember, there's always more to learn, so keep exploring and stay curious. Until next time, kids, keep swimming with excitement.
Looking for more fun and educational activities for your little ones? Click the link in the description to visit a website with exciting, engaging items perfect for young children. Discover a world of learning and play that your kids will love. Don't miss out, explore now.